Good day, my people. Good day, good day. Today, I'm gonna prepare some. I'm gonna cook some green banana, soft yam, Irish, and coco. Today, curry mash along with saltfish and gully bean. Here's my better pack curry. Here it is. I'm gonna use this curry today. Okay. This is a choco what I'm gonna use to make the mash along. My saltfish wash now to put on the fire to scald off, alright? Now people, I'm gonna peel the food right now. Get them wash off in the water, get them inside the pot, alright? This is some minty cocoa. Black cocoa rather. You know, people, I get the food and wash up now. Get inside the pot. Now put the choco inside this food pot, you know. So the choco much easier to cook than the food. Give it a little time, then I put it in. Come here, get it out before the pot even take off of the fire. Alright? Get it to crush up to make the mash along. Okay? I put it cover. Okay, thank you. Now I want to put it in same time because it's much easier to cook more than the food. I'm going to dice it up a little thin. A little thinnish. It is. Get me season ready up, you know. Mash along the pot, you see it. a little wash sweet pepper them already. All the season a little wash already. Still have to use this garlic tonight because we love garlic, you know. You can see I finished cut up my season. This is the onion, garlic, little piece of scratch bonnet pepper here, and I have a yellow bell pepper, green and red, and scallion over here. So I'm going to use to do my mash along, alright? Get in the coconut oil in the pot. Curry in the oil, people. Curry mash along, you know. My, it smells so nice. Wow. Get in the saltfish, people. Give a little stir. And now we're getting a susumba, bully bean. Then now we're getting mashallah. And now getting some black pepper. Put a little thyme in it. A little thyme. Now getting some black pepper. I get a little garlic powder as well. Then I give it a stir again. And food are nice food, you know, people. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, my people, come to the end of the video, you know. So it look. So please, my ask them to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just do the right thing, you know. Please subscribe. Please touch the notification bell that when I upload a video, you'll be the first one to notify. Alright? Thank you all. God bless you all. Alright?